Hi, Dr. Gary here, Dr. Gary on the road. We are nationwide dental practice brokers. We sell dental practices. So today's topic is, as of today, August 2022, what are banks looking for in the financial criteria of a buyer? What are the requirements that a bank has? So we'll talk about that. As you know, we now have 10 employees. We're in 27 states, and we are nationwide. We hope to be growing more and more. We'll keep you posted. We answer the phone every day except Christmas and Easter. And you can call us from 7:30 a.m. till 9:30 p.m. East Coast time. 201-663-0935. And our website is nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com or dentalpracticeguide.com. Just call us. All this information you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes. It's not business or legal advice. If you are thinking about selling a large practice to a DSO, please call us because they will often pay our commission. There'll be no commission to you. And sometimes, based on criteria, we can get your legal fees reimbursed at closing. So call us. We'll talk to you about that. We'll guide you through the process. If you want an free evaluation of your office, please give us a ring. We could chat. All right? So anyway, today's topic is, what are these banks looking for in a buyer? Because interest rates are at 4% now, maybe 4.5%. You may find some teaser deals out there lower, but they're at about that 4% range on the average bank. There's only about 5 banks that really know what they're doing with dental loans. You don't want to start going to a community bank. You want to be with one of the dental banks. We advocate certain banks, but we don't do it on this forum. If you're our client, we'll get into it. But there are some great dental banks out there. And right now, I took some notes. I spoke to one of the bankers. They're at about 4% right now. And as far as the credit score for the buyer that the banks are looking for, they want approximately 680. That's the Fico credit score. And they're looking for, if it's, let's say, a $300,000 deal, and that you're going to purchase, the purchase price is $300,000. They'd like you to have between 5 and 10% of that $300,000 in the bank. It gives them a little bit of cushion. If it's an existing owner that's buying another practice, certainly they'll be looking for closer to 10%. First-time buyers, probably 5%. And historically, even if we hit bad times, healthcare does well. As you know, statistical success is about 99.75% of a dental loan. Nobody really fails. So the banks recognize this. They don't have a lot of failures. It's almost, let's call it a sure bet. And that's kind of where you are with what the banks are looking for. Let me go over a few other notes I have here to see if there's any other points that they spoke to me about today. But what I gave you is about the average that all the banks are looking for. That's about your average number. So let's see what else we have here. We got some notes. Sorry for that. They're looking for a debt to income ratio. You're carrying your monthly debt compared to your monthly income should be about 1.25 ratio. Debt to income ratio. All right? And those are some of your basic parameters. Generally, your financing will be at 100% with no money down. And sometimes 105%, so you have working capital. But there's money out there, still available. It's just now, and we don't put pressure on people, it's now more than ever, you've got to get a deal together. If you're looking and thinking, before interest rates keep going up and up and up, and nobody knows when, they're not coming down right now, so, they're probably going to go up at one point. So start looking for something now, thinking about buying it. Don't wait a long time, because now is different than the last few years. Interest rates are rising. So they're at 4%. They were at 3% before. They've gone up 25%. So start looking and you'll get it together. All right. Thank you very much. Great talking to you, and hope to see you soon. Bye.